Now when you press your collar, you want to make sure that you press it and it's not a fold or crease in between the seams. Right along here, you want that to be nice and flat. You don't want to have a fold in it like that. You want it to be very crisp or sharp. Okay, you're going to press. Notice I'm not dragging the iron across it, pressing it. You can use steam. Make sure that your corner is a nice little sharp corner. And if you need, take a pen to kind of bring it out a little bit, you can. That helps. Get your nice little sharp corner. The collar is almost ready to attach to the top. So you want it nicely pressed. Okay. Now, one side of the collar is turned up, the other side is not. This side is turned up. It's this side that we're going to attach to the collar. But before we do that, we're going to stitch from the notch to the end of the collar on both sides. Just a basting stitch from the notch to the end of the collar. And make sure that it's flat. The reason that you want to stitch or do a basting stitch right there is to hold those pieces together while you attach the collar to the top. Again, we're going to baste that collar from the notch to the end of the collar. A long stitch. And for those who are wondering, it should be 1/4 inch. From this end, we're going to come from the end of the collar to the notch, just so you can stay on your seam line. Stop right there. Snip. So now you have these two pieces together. This part is open still. This is the part you're going to attach to the top. By now you should have interfaced the front piece on the wrong side of the fabric. The interfacing goes there along the edge. Then you will turn the edge down like I've done here, and you will stitch it down so that on the other side you have a nice clean finish. At the top of that facing, which is right there, you will turn it down 1/4 inch and stitch across the top. Okay? This top is self-facing, and that's the reason why we're doing it that way. Self-facing means when you turn it back, once we get the collar on, the facing is going to pretty much be done. Okay? So you should have interfaced the front, finish the edge, and at the top of that facing there, okay, you should join the front shoulder to the back shoulder on both sides. See if we can get that top up there. Before you join the shoulders, you want to attach your pocket according to your guide sheet. Okay, so we've done the pocket, and if you need a refresher, I'll show you that in just a moment. But the pocket is going to be placed on the right side of the shirt if you're a lady, and on the left side of the shirt if you're a man. You can barely see my pocket because it kind of camouflages right in with the rest of the fabric. So I will show you again the pocket, how to put it together, and then you will locate on the front of the shirt where to place the pocket. If you look on your pattern piece, let's get that. Here's your pattern piece. If you notice on the front side, there are circles there. and it has the different sizes. So what